Not that so long ago, when I was in my late 20s. Yeah. And there was a lot of like, and there was a lot of bad press about, as usual, about the area in which I was living in Mossad. And we were talking earlier about how part of our project was simply to render ourselves visible, but also to represent ourselves rather than have ourselves represented. So this was just about Mossad. Some people talk about New York, London and its Tower Bridge, the mangoes of sweet Trinidad, but me, I love Mossad. Some people talk about trifling with double cream, waking up in waterbeds with their toy boys lovers, but me, I love Mossad. Some people nibble ears, hold sticky hands all day, see what car windows, sucking toes and stuff, but me, I love Mossad. Some people go dippy at the sight of fresh pink flowers. Some zoom at the rev of an engine, some rave about Daleks and cable TV. That was way back when they was raving about But me, I love Mossad. I love Mossad. I love They're ruthless in this life, they will throw us. Okay.